Alright, what's up? This is Lab 84 and I'm currently loading in the data for the first pivot table. And we loaded it into the pivot table report. So this lab, I think, is showing you the capabilities of XBRL on Excel, because we've already worked with it on Google Drive. Okay, first thing we need to do is put name into rows. So there we go. And now we're going to insert a slicer. And the slicer is going to be filter. Well, filter category. There we go. I was missing it at first. There we go. And now we're going to bring in the data one more time. Just to rewind real quick, we've already been over slicers, so I don't know if there's any point of me explaining it, but yeah, the slicer, you can just click on these little buttons and it'll basically just separate out the data, so you only get whatever filter, for example, that you click on. And for a lot of times it's like with dates as well, so you'll have a lot of data right here and then you'll select like January and you only have the January data pop up over here. But now we also need to bring in some more data. And this time we're only bringing in the aspect. And we're going to put this on a different worksheet. Same thing, pivot table report. And once it loads in, we're going to do the same exact thing, put the name in rows, but we're going to filter something in the actual table now instead of creating a slicer. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Slow-mo. And now you see we filtered this pivot table so that everything in here just begins with cash. And basically the main reason of doing this was just to show everybody how XBRL is pretty diverse and you can really utilize it in multiple ways. It's not just on Google Drive or Google Docs where it can bring in stuff from Edgar. It's also different ways that you can export data into Microsoft Access, into Microsoft Word. I've even seen people on YouTube who have it right here up on the ribbon. So yep, that sums up Lab 84. Thank you.